Crystal's bread. Today is the third day of my sourdough starter tutorials. On a day 2, we put some ingredient, water and flour. Today it's going to be basically the same. So we're going to examine the day 2 result, and we're going to add the ingredients and leave it in a room temperature for 24 hours. So let's go to our metric measured starter versus measuring cup measured starter. So pretty much they're basically the same. Just with the experience, I'm showing it to you. So I opened the top and I'm trying to smell, and it smells like a little stronger than yesterday. It smells like there's a little bit of tint of sour smell, and more like smells like a yogurt to me now. And if you can see, there are some bubbles. Obviously there's so many activity going on. Yeast bacteria is just multiplying. You can see that it's been rose to the top and it came down, deflated, and you can see then some liquid separated, but that's okay, don't worry about it. I already measured off, so I don't want to switch this. So this is the metric, so it's a 50-gram flour. Tomorrow we're gonna divide it in half and throw it the half of the starter because it's getting too much, and 50 grams of flour. So I'm gonna mix it up so it's come to the top. Okay, so we're gonna mix it. Mix it really well. Okay, so it is a little thinner, but that's okay. And I will clear the side so we will be able to see the process here. So it's gonna be I'm sure it's gonna go rise on the top. I hope it's not gonna spill. So we're gonna put the top. You can see on the lid that it's been rose to the lid. So I hope this is not gonna spill. But tomorrow for sure we're gonna split it in half and then keep on adding. Although it's smelling a little sour, but I am not confident that it's gonna be enough to rise a bread dough. So we're just gonna wait on a couple more days. So I already measured 1/3 of flour. I'm gonna add to that, and I already measured 1/4, a quarter cup of flour. So I hear those bubbles, sound of bubbles bursting. It is about the same texture, so it's kind of, if you remember day 1 it was a little thicker, and now it's getting a little thinner, but that's okay. So mix it well, and I'm gonna clear the side. There you go. So we're gonna wait 24 hours and we're gonna come back to this tomorrow and see what's the result gonna be. I'm just gonna leave it like that.